Hi, welcome back. Right now we're going to be making the keto low carb creamy garlic chicken Alfredo. It normally takes shrimp, but I'm allergic. So first we put in the pan, we put a tablespoon of olive oil, and I put a teaspoon of garlic, even though it called for a tablespoon, because that sounded like a bit much to me. So now we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna let this melt. So if you were gonna be using shrimp, you use the olive oil and the garlic, and you cook your shrimp for two minutes on each side. So, and then I need to get the heavy whipping cream out. So this is our, as I noticed I don't have a handle on my pan, which is great about these pans because they nest inside each other, but you just push this button here, handle goes right on. So try not to touch it because it's hot. So after our 2 tablespoons of butter, we're going to put a half a cup of, what's it called? Half a cup. Oh, we're gonna put the cream cheese in first. Sorry. We're gonna cube up 4 ounces of cream cheese, which is half of a cream cheese. Okay. Now it says it wants it in cubes. So I'm going to open it here, hopefully. There we go. And I'm going to cut it up into cubes. And drop it. Let's go like this. Here we go. Drop it at. Get the foil off that one. Oh. Wants to stick to the paper. Because it's hot in here. My husband made nice chicken that I chopped up. He wasn't too happy about me chopping up his chicken. He said he did a great job. Okay, so now we're melting our cream cheese. Let me go wash my hands real quick. Okay. Now we're going to add, as soon as this melts up a little bit, we're going to add our heavy whipping cream and the rest of our products. So normally I would chop up our cheese, but today I'm trying to do a shortcut because I'm running a little late from physical therapy today. So after waiting on this to melt, which seems to be taking forever, we're going to go with a half a cup. If you like it creamier, it says to put 3/4 of a cup. So we're going to do 3/4 of a cup. Whoops. That's my recipe. These are our not our easy read measuring cups. These are our measure-alls. This is the 1 cup. We have a 2 cup and a 1/4 cup, which I used a little bit ago to measure out the oil. So, sorry, forgot what I was saying there. And then we're gonna use a half a cup of cheese. So we're gonna go, this is why it's a measure all, because liquid on one side, dry ingredients on the other. So we're gonna take our already shredded Parmesan. Stick it in. That's a half a cup. Okay. I don't know if you can see how creamy this is getting, but it is going. Cream cheese, it doesn't melt so well apparently. And then you can put in a tablespoon of red pepper flakes, which I will, because we like red pepper flakes. Let's Gotta find them in the cabinet here. Here we go. But I'm not gonna measure. So red pepper flakes, salt and pepper. Now my husband did put Pampered Chef's Italian seasoning on the outside of our chicken. Oh, what'd you put on our chicken then? What'd you put on chicken? Just salt and pepper?
I put salt, pepper, a slight bit of celery salt, and a lot of garlic powder since this is an Italian dish.
Okay.
Hence the reason it was cooked quickly and amazingly by me.
Anyways, so now as this is doing, I'm going to turn this down a little bit. And here in just a second, I am going to be adding back in the chicken. And I gotta run and get the zucchini. Ooh. See how long those noodles are? Isn't that cool? Probably should have cut them up some, but that's okay. So here we go. More. Seems like a whole lot of zucchini going in this, but it's going to taste really, really yummy when I'm done. Now, I found this recipe on Pinterest. I will share it in the comments later once I am done eating. But now we just have to wait for the zucchini to cook. But this is what our finished product is going to look like. So I hope you had fun watching me make my dinner tonight, and I will tune in tomorrow and I'll be showing off a different gadget. Have a great day.